So today we're installing a Hibbent universal metal slide toilet handle replacement. Now the old one that we had here was super easy to remove. It's lefty loosey to take that nut off. And then it's easy to unclip the chain and take the old handle out. Now here's the new one, the Hibbent. Now it comes into a beautiful box, but you may need to bend that handle a little bit in order to make it fit. You can see here that it takes a little bit of tweaking in order to get the adjustment just right because you want the action to work perfectly in order to pick up this flap that drains the water. Now here you can see that the new handle has been bent in order to customize it because every tank's different. But just heads up, this handle is not lefty loosey righty tighty. It's the opposite. The new one is lefty tighty, righty loosey. So you can see here that you may have to turn it a little bit to the right in order to feel the threads, but in order to tighten it, it just takes a left-handed tightening thread. And one last thing, when the only tools that we needed to do this job was a large pair of pliers in order to remove the first nut and a pair of needle nose pliers to take the thin chain off, because sometimes they're a little bit stubborn and it's not much room to work in there. But once you get the new chain on, test it a couple of times and make sure that this handle moves without any interruption, and you're going to be good to go. Really, sincerely, 15 minutes installation, start to finish.